Hi, are you making a video?
Yep.
Hi, I'm back again.
I want to know what you guys think. Let's head out front and see what we're up to with the Del Sol. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with us for another video today. My name's Cora, and we're just having a family fun day. It feels so good to be sitting in the Del Sol again. It's been a couple months since we've taken it out to cruise, and it's just too long. We've been busy working on the right-hand drive project. You know, that's taken up most of our time lately. But the last time we took the Del Sol out to drive it was right after we installed the new engine. And unfortunately, we discovered a problem with it. So that's going to be coming up in a few minutes. But it feels great to be in here. And we're going to go ahead and get started with the video. I hope you enjoy it.
It feels good to be here.
Yep, we're having a car wash party.
We did, Daddy. Yeah.
Yep. Looks like you did a good job.
This is my car wash. If you want to come here, then come to my car wash. We make cars like sparkly clean.
It's been way too long. I know you guys are ready for an update on the Del Sol. I miss driving it so bad. We've been so focused on the right-hand drive project that we've just been kind of putting these on the back burner for a little while. But Jake's out here putting his turbo on. And Bo's hanging out. Grayson's eating some beef jerky. And I'm about to work on the Del Sol.
Yep, finally gonna put the new turbo on. I've had it in a box for, I don't know, what, 4 months?
Yeah. We have literally, guys, we've been putting like everything on hold because of the right-hand drive. So about a month ago, we got the car running and driving. I was so happy. Everything was going great. We took it out on the first cruise. But whenever we got back home, we realized that there was a ton of oil leaking out of it. Like, it was horrible. There's pretty much almost no oil left in the engine. So after doing some research, we figured out that the rear main seal is leaking really bad. And we're gonna have to take the transmission back out, change the rear main seal, and then get it all put back together. This clutch is completely shot. Like, I've barely been able to use it when I had my old setup. We decided to wait until we ordered a new clutch. Yeah, Jake's car is up front. He went ahead and washed it tonight, finally. It was so bad, which I can't talk. Mine's horrible, too. You guys talking about import face off?
Yeah.
I know, I hope we make it.
Alright, it's not perfect, but it's better.
Hi, are you making a video?
Yep.
Hi, I'm back again. Do y'all want to see Bo?
Yeah, let's go see Bo.
Hey, before y'all enter the big Bo zone, I'd rather you get your seatbelts on because Bo is full of it. Hey, be nice. There's visitors on the phone.
This chicken's locked up.
Yeah, you lock up.
He gets naughty at night.
Back up, folks.
Oh, it's close.
Playing without me, dang it. Alright. No warm-ups. That was sloppy.
Oh!
Work
What's your problem, Bo? I know. It hasn't been this dirty in a long time. Yeah, guys, the first thing we need to do is get this thing cleaned up. Because it is looking rough. We just finished up working on the hatch. It's got its new turbo installed. Nice filter. It's ready to go cruise tonight. So are we. It's been at least a couple months since we've had a nice night out together. Just enjoying the cars. And my car's up front now. I'm about to do a little bit of work to it. But I just wanted to let you guys know we finished up the turbo. Let's head out front and see what we're up to with the Del Sol. Definitely way better. Del Sol's looking nice and shiny. And we're getting ready to put it up on jack stands. That way I can install these rear coilovers. The front one's already installed. Show you guys, you can kind of tell the front is lower than the back right now. So after we get these rear coilovers put on, it's gonna look really good. It'll lower it a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and get this car lifted up. That way I can get the back two tires off and we'll get these put in. We went ahead and got the Del Sol moved back up under the carport. Some clouds rolled in. It looks like it could rain pretty soon. So we're gonna get the coilovers changed back here. But I'm gonna show you guys the gaps really quick, close up. You can see with this back gap, I can put all 4 fingers right here. But when we go up here to the front, I can only get, watch out, Bo. I can only fit, Bo, watch out. I can only fit 2 fingers. So we're not gonna do anything too crazy with these. I just wanna get the back coilovers put on. That way it levels it out. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing up on jack stands. Get these coilovers swapped out. I'll show you whenever we're finished. We just finished installing the coilovers on the back. Let's go ahead and do the finger test. Yeah, 2 fingers can barely fit in here on the back now. And 2 fingers fit comfortably on the front one. So the back is a little bit lower than we expected, but kind of like it. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments. What do you think we should do? Should we keep the back a little bit lower like that? Because it doesn't rub or anything. We already tested it out. I don't know. We kind of like how it looks. But I want to know what you guys think. Do you think that we should raise up the back a little bit more? That way it matches the front? Or do you guys like it lowered in the back? Drop it down in the comments what you think we should do, because we definitely want your input. Something came in the mail today. What is it? Yes, my clutch for the Del Sol. I'm gonna get that thing going again.
Yeah, this is just kind of a cheap, temporary...
Yeah, temporary fix.
She doesn't need much for the power she's going to be making now with the new engine, so...
Yeah.
And she messed up her old clutch, driving it too hard. So...
Yeah, this is much needed.
Literally put a stock one in it just so she could drive it. And now we got to pull it back out to change the rear main seal. So we're going to go ahead and put a better clutch in than factory, because that won't handle any boost. How much was this clutch?
Wasn't it
What, 180?
180? Yeah, or 190 or something.
Like, that's like 3 hot air balloon trips around the world.
There you go.
15 grand just to run the tournament.
All right.
Rated for 5,000 horsepower.
Working on your Pinewood Derby car.
It's gonna be a fire truck. We're gonna show you my police Lamborghini I made. My car's still going in the workshop.
Yep. We still got some work to do on it, but we'll show it to you whenever we're finished. I see you got your Pinewood Derby car finished up.
Yep.
Turned out really cool.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, guys. And upcoming for the Del Sol, we've got to take out the transmission, swap out the clutch, fix the rear main seal, and then hopefully after that, everything's going to be running great and not leaking. And we'll be able to take it out, cruise it, and enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.